Raindrops on roses and whiskers on kittens, bright copper kettles and warm woolen mittens, brown paper packages tied up with strings. These are a few of my favorite things. Do you ever feel bad? Or sad? Or angry? Or worried? You know, those are totally normal things to feel sometimes. Everyone feels bad at one time or another. But there are things you could do to help. One thing you could do is think of good thoughts. That song that I just started singing is basically a list of someone's favorite things. So today, I actually made a list of some of my favorite things. Would you like to hear? Lighthouses, road trips, the Beach Boys and hiking, being with family, ukuleles and biking, when everyone's happy, when everyone sings. These are a few of my favorite things. So today, I invite you to get a piece of paper and make a list of some of your favorite things. Things that make you happy. Things that bring you joy. And you should share this list with someone. You could read it to someone at home. You could even email it to me if you want. I would love to read it. And you should save the list. And the next time you're feeling bad, go find your list and read what you wrote. And I bet it'll make you feel better. And something else you could do is sing this song.
Raindrops on roses and whiskers on kittens, bright copper kettles and warm woolen mittens, brown paper packages tied up with strings. These are a few of my favorite things. Cream-colored ponies and crisp apple strudels, doorbells and sleigh bells and schnitzel with noodles, wild geese that fly with the moon on their wings. These are a few of my favorite things. Girls in white dresses with blue satin sashes, snowflakes that stay on my nose and eyelashes, silver white winters that melt into springs. These are a few of my favorite things. When the dog bites, when the bee stings, when I'm feeling sad, I simply remember my favorite things, and then I don't feel so bad.
That song is actually from a movie called The Sound of Music. And if you've never seen it, you must see it. It's one of my favorite movies, and it's a great one to watch with the whole family. So, I hope you will make a list of some of your favorite things. I hope you'll learn that song. I hope you'll see the movie. And if you're not sure what you're doing for dinner tonight, consider Schnitzel with Noodles. See you next time.